Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here. We're just back testing the trend bars. This alert that we get, this one here, start from the top, and I've marked these up. So what I want to show you is this, how we can back test, and we're getting a really good result. So I'm going to go to February the 17th here on the right. What you do is come in, have a look at the time, 2020, 1935, 1925, 1905, 10, 920, and mark up the time that the alert fired. This is non-repainting. This is absolute. So I've marked all these up. These are all sell or bearish alerts. Okay, so we can see that this was a successful set of trades all the way down. All right, so let's just go Aussie Swiss, just run down the list. Same thing again, okay, hit the alerts. What I've done here is I've isolated them current symbol only. Okay, Aussie Swissy, and all we will see are the Aussie Swissy alerts, and I'm going to go February the 17th, this is Friday, and I've marked them up, like 22.20, this one over here, let's just mark that up. 20 is right there, it's a sell, pretty whippy price action, but you get the idea. And in my last video I mentioned this, if it's a sell, have a look at the price action. See how extended this is to the downside. Don't set up a market order while this is so extended like this. Okay, it would have triggered on the high of this candle. Bring your limit orders up, stop loss above the cloud, something like that. Limit order entry here, and then another limit order entry about halfway through your stop loss range. That is the way to enter if you see price action is pulling away from the mean being to this midline here. We've got a deviation out, another deviation out. Okay, these deviations, so this is the mean. If we're trading around down here, see the dots? You don't want to be entering short at the end of the cloud like this. Okay, so in this case we set up limit orders above. Now it's a different story if we want to short it. See this for example. And we get a signal here. Yeah, I like that. It's the pullback up in there. That's a short market. Market sell right there. Definitely. But you don't market sell around here. You market sell around the red dots on the indicator. Hope that makes sense. So back to, just run through very quickly. Let's just select one random. I'm just going to flip it up and down here. There we go. I clicked on the pound yen. Okay, February number 17, that's Friday. The first one was, let's just go up to 905, 9010, 905. Okay, that's our first one. See, it's a buy, but you're not going to buy up there. So if the signal fires here, come on down. Here's the range. It's spiked up. Let's come back down into here. Set up your buy orders under. And that's where you get a fill. And if it trades on without you, then let it go. Doesn't matter. So many opportunities. Okay, so what do we got here? 905. 1120 was the next one. So just look at the time. 11:20, we'll mark it up. 10:20, there is 11. All right, 11:20. Okay, it was trading up around this high. Forget it. You want the discount down here. So if that's the signal firing here, do what I just did, like so. It's telling us to buy anyway, and all through here and up through here. So I mean, we can see the outcome. Let's just, I don't know, another random to wiggle it up and down and hit. Okay, there's New Zealand Swiss. We're looking at the 17th. Okay, go to the alerts. And remember, I've selected these three dots and we've gone current symbol. So we're only seeing the alerts for this one. So we'll scroll down and have a look at Friday. Let's just have a look. 16, so 16.15 down here. That's heading into the London Open. So where is that? We could enable the Forex sessions up here. London Open is blue color. There's the blue color here. Let's just get rid of everything. Again, look at this. Okay, so have a look at the alert. 16.15, let's mark it up. 16.20, 16.15. Okay, what is it telling us to do? It's saying sell. And I like the pullback. See that? Perfect entry. Right on the dot. Go. 16.15, 17.55, 18.55. So let's have a look. So 17.55 and then 18.55. There we are. What's it saying? Both of them are short. No problem. Well, you can see the outcome. Candle open. There it is. There's your short there. Here, candle open. And there's your short there. Remember, we're scalping. Now, interestingly, we've got more sell signals Let's just have a look at the latest. It's 2045. It's still telling us to sell. That's because the higher time frame, the 4 and the daily, the momentum is bearish. So this is interesting. This is trading up. So let's check that out. So what do we got? We got 2045. Okay, 2045 right here is a sell. I'm okay with that. Good. 2020, 2010, 1955. 2020. Okay, let's check them out. We'll have a look at 1910. That's it here. See, again, this has moved down into the London Open. And I mean, you would have got away with this if you did sell here. Probably just. I like to go about a 90. Stop loss above the dots. Okay, so you'd want to think about that. So this is why I don't sell at the green dots of the cloud. See how this is traded down? You don't do that. You set up your pending order up in here. And that's where you get a fill then over here. You just got to use a bit of common sense. If it's already stretched out and you're seeing this after a signal here short, if you did enter there, I would close it on that dot. That's why we got these indicators. Really, I would be setting up pending orders above. How did we go? Probably around here would have been your exit. So you're looking for these dots. Okay, so some of them are not as picture perfect, okay, but it works if you use the strategy, if you use a bit of common sense with it. All of these sell opportunities, they all worked out. You can see here, you know, where the stop loss level is, and you can see down here that would have been a TP, so they're all good. It's all short all the way through. Let's grab another one. It's a random. Let's go down the bottom. Okay, dollar CAD, let's do that. Go to the alerts, and again, I've selected current symbol only, and I'm looking at February the 17. It's a bit of a no-brainer, this one. So these are all buy through the whole of the 17, and yeah, I mean, when did it start? 4 a.m. So where's 4? It's saying that the momentum is bullish from 4. See down here, 4, and then various times throughout it's saying to buy. If we're buying, yeah, I like this pullback here. I'm good with that. We don't know what's ahead, so let's just go in. Yeah, we got a pullback on the open of the candle. You know, look, and if you watch my previous video, you're gonna go a market entry here, and then you're gonna set up maybe halfway down through the cloud somewhere, pending. And this one's a bigger position size than this one, and I mean, look at the outcome of that. So I think once you're in, and if you stay in, then you may as well leave it in and trail it with your stop loss while you're in front of the charts. But the signals to exit are when we get these dots. That's telling us that market is overextended, and it didn't really pull back much here. Again, the market's overextended. It's giving us a warning that things are starting to die out a little bit, and then it picked up again over here. But when you see these red dots, I would say consider the exit. We're not trying to aim for, you know, the very tops and bottoms of these trends. Just keep taking money out. That's the key. Even if it's 1-to-1 on every trade. If we're up around in here and you see these red dots up here, then close it. Guys, I want to invite you to have a look at my website and go to We Trade Your Forex account very quickly. Down here, that's the master account we're using. We're connecting other accounts to this one. And you can see here in 8 months we've achieved 136%. We doubled the account in 6 months, averaging out at 10.9% per month. So on the website, We Trade Your account, have a look at it. There's the options, my fees, etc. And the other thing, join us. Gain access to the indicators. Click on the store over here and let's share this journey together. Try it for a month. I invite you to do the math and consider the investment. Other options there, of course, as well. So with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next video.